All right, let's talk. It's time to do my hair and we're gonna talk, okay? Because why the fuck is the world set up like this? Like, stuff could be going fine 1 minute, right? Then the next minute, everything done shot to hell. Do you feel me? Do you feel me? I know if anybody feel me, you feel me. You feel what I'm saying? Because, babe, my life in the last 6 years, I'm telling you, anybody in my position would have been folded, would have been left up out of here, okay? Because I'm telling you right now, babe, I don't even know how I'm standing right now. I don't even know how I'm like smiling, talking, all this. Y'all, I have been going through it. But that's neither here nor there. Y'all ain't come here for that. Yeah, I'm trying to see what I'm gonna do with my hair for real. Because as you can tell, I still ain't washed the shit. It's been about, I don't even know how long. And that other lock that I had cut my head still hanging on by a thread. Y'all see that? That's literally it's indicative of my life, y'all. This is how the fuck my life been on right here. That is a prime example. Y'all, I'm gonna get it fixed though, y'all. I'm gonna get it fixed. I ain't gonna let that thing hang on like that, lie. I ain't like that. No, because I be disguising it right now. Don't nobody know it's like that, but y'all, and y'all better shut the fuck up. Don't tell nobody. You feel me? Do you hear me? I've been out here a peep out y'all goddamn mouth about it. Okay? And I know I'm looking like mystical right now, but just trust the process, babe. Because I'm finna do me one big. Okay, we're gonna session this side off, baby. But I really do need to go see a loctician for real because I need to have them like repair some of my locks. Cause not let me not say repair some of my locks because they ain't damaged besides the one that I cut off my head. They're not damaged, but they need some work. Like I want to combine some of them. So I've been thinking about making me a little appointment, babe. Making me a little appointment. You feel what I'm saying? And who all use this right here? Why the fuck is this so expensive? Because this is $30. This right here, $30. This shit better do my hair for the next 5 years and stay intact in 5 years. Okay. I know I'm lying because it don't even stay that long. But anyway, it lasts. I mean, it do a job, but at the same time, $30 fucking. This we in a recession. Who the hell gonna pay $30 fucking? Obviously me, because I got the bucket, right? I got the goddamn container. So I can't even say that. But I'ma complain. I'ma complain. Cause who the fuck told y'all we can afford $30 uh for some goddamn jail lock jail? Who told y'all that? Who the fuck told that? Y'all need to reevaluate. Cause this damn economy, babe, we can't afford not a goddamn thing. This bottle right here better last me to the year 2030, 2050 even. Okay, because what we in 20 something, it better last 2050. Cause bitch, I ain't got it. What he say in the 5 heart? He said, you ain't getting it because you ain't got it, bitch. So that's how I feel. Okay. How y'all feeling out there? I know y'all just celebrated holidays and all this stuff. All this stuff is going on. And shit is just happening in this world. So how y'all feeling? Tell me in the comments, babe. I'ma catch y'all in the next video, boo. And make sure you hit that follow because I be seeing some of y'all. Y'all be saying, oh, you so funny. Hee hee. Oh, I love your person. I love the vibe. And then y'all don't be following. What's up with that? What's up with that? Follow your girl. Okay, bye.